Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook accounts on your PC with the latest update. Whether you have multiple profiles or manage business and personal pages, switching accounts has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to be logged into your current account. So if you aren't already signed in, go ahead and do that. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture, click on that, and a small menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option called See All Profiles. Click on it, and this will take you to a list of all the Facebook accounts you've added to your browser. Now simply choose the account you want to switch to. Just click on the profile you wish to use, and you'll be switched over to that account immediately. It's that simple. No need to log out or go through any complicated steps. You can easily switch between different profiles right from the same browser window. So, whether you're managing multiple Facebook accounts or just switching from personal to business, this new update makes the process fast and smooth. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips on Facebook and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.